Today we're talking about what your phone policy should be as a restaurant owner or a manager. So I'm actually making this video because a ton of my clients and a ton of people that get on calls with me that have questions oftentimes ask about their phone policy when these servers are kind of sitting at the service well and just going on their phone, but their tables are a mess. Now, you don't have to agree with this, but you do have to realize that the actual issue behind the phones is that their guests are unhappy or their tables are not maintained or something is going wrong with the actual dining experience because they're on their phones. Them being on their phones isn't actually the issue you have with them. It's the fact that they're not servicing their tables properly. But what I have to explain to a lot of people is you wouldn't be mad at me if I was on my phone and I was one of your servers because my tables would be spotless, incredibly happy, come back often, know me by my name, I'd sell them, I'd upsell them, and there ultimately would never be a single issue. So if you saw me on my phone sending one quick message to my significant other really quick, you probably wouldn't even care. Now, what do we do with this information? We can use this information to actually give the servers the ability to use their phones for 30 to 60 seconds, but only on two conditions. Condition number one, their tables are perfectly maintained, meaning pre-bussing, manicuring tables down to the wood, tables incredibly clean, also meaning that hot food's not about to come and you don't really need to check on them in the next minute or so. You don't need to run first round drinks, you don't need to take an order, you don't need to drop a check, you don't need to do any of those things within a few minutes. And then condition number two is you ask a team member, whether it's a manager or your server, the server next to you is what we call your neighbor, that's usually who you would ask. All you have to do is ask them to watch over your section and you can mention to them, hey, I just checked on everybody should be good. I'm just going to the bathroom real quick, or I'm just checking on my phone real quick, I have to send a quick message. Please watch my section for just 2 minutes. We have to understand that as a boss, your staff members have responsibilities outside of work. Their entire life is not just work, as much as you want it to be just about work. When they're there, I get it, they're on the clock, but they also have outside lives. Maybe their parents want them to check in on what time they're gonna be home, or their significant other is waiting for something or wants them to pick up something from the grocery store on the way home. There's just a million possibilities, or even an emergency could pop up. Now, I do 1000% agree that it's not okay to be on your phone like scrolling through Instagram or checking on social media or just doing things that are not really important. But what you can start doing as a manager or an owner is only writing people up if you catch them on their phone at a time where their tables are not maintained and they didn't ask people for help. And it's a very fair way where your servers and bartenders will actually understand, like, okay, yeah, I was on my phone, my tables were a wreck, like I'm getting written up for that. And a follow-up to that note is write people up more often. Make write-ups a little bit more normalized. It shouldn't be this extreme situation where you got written up and it's such a bad thing and you might get fired if you get 3. Some people have 6 write-ups, 10 write-ups, and they don't get fired. It's just kind of like your proof of what they did wrong, so you do cover yourself as a boss, and you're able to have a conversation with them while you're writing them up, make them sign it, make them acknowledge it, and they are a lot more likely not to do it again because you had that write-up and because you had that conversation with them. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon. I'm the CEO and founder of The Restaurant Launch. We train restaurants across the country, all online pretty much, and bring them to the highest level of service. If you're even the slightest bit interested in finding out more detail about how we can train your team, all you have to do is click the link below and book a free demo on Zoom. Either myself or Hunter will hop on with you and walk you through the whole process. Also, if you could please like and subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. Thanks.